Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, snowing at a pretty good clip right now. However, it won't last very long as the system is rather progressive. It'll be pulling out shortly later on this evening. Now, the original forecast really last couple of days of 2 to, well, as little as 2 to as much as 4, getting trimmed back to about 1 to 3. We've picked up 1 so far. We'll pick up an additional inch and a half this evening, and that should do it. But it's just enough to, bad timing with the evening commute. Some of the secondary roads are slippery, so just go slow heading out this evening. We take a look at the Doppler radar. Now, the blue is snow. Green along the south shore. We've had reports of some raindrops and sleet mixing in at times across the coastline and places like New Bedford. But see these little areas of darker blue coming through? Those are bands of much heavier snow. It doesn't last very long, but it puts a quick coating to half-inch on the ground in a very short period of time. The precipitation is actually breaking up off to our west, and that's why we're not overly concerned here about, excessive amounts of snow. Not that we were ever anticipating excessive amounts to begin with, but the total is coming back even lower now. We're thinking 1 to 3. 1 to 2 probably in most areas. Snow shutting off by 10 o'clock this evening. The steadiest now till about, say, 7, 8 o'clock this evening. Isolated 4-inch amounts, but that would be reserved for well north of Providence out towards Route 495 into the Boston suburbs. Slow travel next several hours. You can see the reduced visibility in Providence right now, the fog and the steady snow. Temperature's cold, obviously, at 24. Boy, it was pretty cold this morning. You may be wondering, 0 or just below in some of our northern suburbs at around sunrise this morning. It's only 16 in Smithfield, mid-20s South Shore. Notice the warmer weather, the Cape and the islands, the well into the 30s, so more of a rain-sleet mixture out there. Take a look at the satellite and radar composite. You see the shield of precipitation coming through. Note the back edge. It's already passing through western Mass, western Connecticut. Area of low pressure, actually a developing storm, and it's really intensifying rapidly. Normally be concerned about something like that if it were slowing down, but it'll move steadily to the north and east, take this whole precipitation shield and push it offshore later on this evening, and later tonight some drier air working in. Futurecast shows as well, 7 o'clock this evening, some leftover steady snow, especially eastern Massachusetts by roughly 9, 10 o'clock. Most of that's pulling away, then clearing overnight. So by tomorrow morning, we're back to sunshine or increasing amounts of sun. Chilly, but not nearly as frigid as it was earlier this morning. This is around 2 o'clock. We're looking good. You need that decent weather to do all that last-minute holiday shopping, and we should be fine tomorrow afternoon and even tomorrow evening with dry weather. As far as final snowfall accumulations, the 2 to 4 has been trimmed back now to 1 to 3. 4 to 7, though, Worcester, Route 495 belt, Boston suburbs, far northern Bristol and Plymouth counties, inch or less across the lower Cape and Islands. We've picked up an inch so far, another inch or 2, and that should be about it. Just take it slow as the steady snow continues for a few more hours. Temperature at 21 overnight, 28 tomorrow morning, increasing amounts of sunshine. Looking good tomorrow afternoon, temperature at 35. Quiet weather extends into Thursday. As cold as it's been of late, look at Friday, the trend we start. 50, upper 40s to low 50s over the weekend. It really warms up. But with that warm up will come some precipitation. Obviously not snow, it's too warm, but rather rain showers. A little bit for Saturday, but more so on Sunday. Temperature on Sunday all the way up to 50. So whatever ice and snow we have on the ground, a little melting by the end of the week. You can download the Channel 12 app through iTunes on your iPhone or on the Android smartphone as well. A couple of inches, but that's all it takes for some slipping and sliding on untreated surfaces. So just take it easy.
Okay, we will. Thank you, Tony.